Right up, Faith.
Oh.
Faith, to set the camera up. Wow.
Freak.
Thing?
There.
Finally.
Now, let's go on our movies.
Just to say I always win. And let's just show you guys. I got some ciphers. And there's this other one, it's called Mirror Wall. It's like everything, but it's backwards.
Let's play that one.
We're gonna race on it, and I already unlocked everyone. Metal Mario. Gonna place him.
You think they can see?
Yeah, they can see.
Here, let me see.
Okay. Then I got that. Sponge rolls, they're really good. But always get the best things that you got. Or the newest. And we're on the story level right now. Unlocked all the levels.
Okay, well.
But never skip any levels on the mirror wall, or you're just gonna mess up.
No, play.
Before you do that.
Because I want to play. Okay. I'm so mixed up right now, Mandy, because I'm so used to playing Resident Evil that my hand was on, that my finger was on R. I'm so messed up with Resident Evil right now. My hand was on R.
I'm in second.
Oh, freak.
What, did you just check on a banana peel?
Oh, I almost died.
No.
Oh, freak. How do you... It's so hard. Ah! Yeah, now what? I got stuck by a fence. Terrible.
Oh.
I made my voice up. Planet Earth now.
First now. Stupid flowers thing.
Now I'm stuck and I'm gotta stand and I'm in 8. I like to leave my eyes.
Oh,
a million fireflies. No, we have to go. No, we have to. Now planet Earth. Slowly, I like to lick my eyes. La 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 la.
Oh, fudge.
4th.
You already done?
No, I got 4th.
Oh.
Ah, I was in 3rd. No.
because of me, now you're in 3rd?
I was in 3rd. What the freak?
Finish.
I'm in 6th.
I came in 3rd.
I came in 7th. I want to turn this up.
Oh, babe. Turn off the video. Holy crap. Did you already turn off the video?